See, I've never gone beyond this point. I've gone as far as where I'm at now because I had to cut that hole in and go in that way to work on the deck and all that. But I'd never crawled up in there beyond this point, and I've never gone this way. Before I go down there, I'm just kind of looking at this, but see, there's a hole over there, so I know there's something beyond that point. And you see over there, I have no idea how much more of the floor space underneath here that I can go, but maybe another big old huge room. That's why I brought plenty of extension cords. I already got 3 extension cords, or actually 2 extension cords, 2 50-footers so far, and I've got another 50-footer. I've got I don't know, a 15 and a 10 or something. And so I'm gonna hook on here. That's why I brought my phone, because once I unplug, I'll use my phone, my light on my phone, and then we'll get up in there and see what's going on. Okay, here we are at the next area for me to look, and good Lord, there's a long 2x4 here, there's a 2x6. Of course, more little wood remnants on the ground. Looking at that Y there, it's wrapped up nicely. Look at this. What is this, a 4x6 down here? 2 2x4s, 2 2x6s nailed together. Jeez. There's a big old strap. More of those earthquake proof deals here, and I'll probably check those. Those feel tight. See, man, it's so nice that I can walk up in here. This has got to be from floor to ceiling, almost 8 feet. I can't even touch it with my hand, standing on my tippy toes. This looks all strapped up nicely. Here's another Y here. See, there's a little bit exposed here, not a whole lot, but this just needs to be. See, they skimped on the wrap. They did one wrap. They could have done one and around, and then done one more up and over that. But they didn't. So I could put another wrap over there. It looks a little minimal right there. Okay. Insulation's all up. It's going through the wall nicely. Maybe I'll go and resituate the light, because I think I can leave that light exactly where it is. I tilt it down a little bit so I can get in through there. I guess I could come in over here or over there. Okay, let's try here. This is a little bit lower. There's a pipe right there in my way. I could make it, but I'm not going to. I'm going to go over on that way because it's so nice to move around here. I hope you're getting some good information out of this, and I enjoy showing you what I'm looking at, what I'm going through, and what I have to do to fix all this. You're keeping me company. Here's another TJI piece of cardboard that had some plumbing strap in it, a roll, and they took it out of there and just left the box here. See, duct Oh, that's 1.5" by 100 feet duct strap. That's this strapping right here that they used. And then they just left the box here. They thought somebody else will pick it up after them, apparently. Okay, well, there's another. They did a long sweep 90, and this goes way down there. And at the long sweep 90, they did nice that they put a another clean out right there. See, that's on that's threads. That's a female threaded end, and then that's a male end. You just take your wrench and tighten it. They put some sealer around there and tighten it, and they just screwed it in there. Okay, this all looks like it's been nicely strapped, and it's still up okay. See that we can see some black pipes around the copper. See there? That looks good, but I want to get all the way up in there and check it, see if there's any insulation that's short. Good Lord, they got some cardboard up there, and see, they put that plastic in, and then probably the wind blew or something before they got all done. And I'm thinking they should, I'm thinking the code here was something like put plastic down on everything, and see, because that's a pretty big piece of plastic, and then somehow it never got rolled out. I'm not sure what the plastic does code-wise. You know, like I say, where you live. See, I'm crawling underneath this. I'm shimmying on my back right now, holding the camera. I wanted to see if there's any insulation in this bay. Remember the other ones there were on the other side? The very first one there wasn't. The first bay there wasn't, and look at that. No insulation on this bay at all. Look at that. Missing. So now I've got to measure that. There's a little piece of insulation missing there. Good grief. Okay. I'll have to come back and measure that, but I wanted to look up here. Cardboard, you never are supposed to have cardboard underneath your house. That's a no-no, so I gotta pull that out. They even put some, look like there's some little thin bat of foam right there, but it was from something else that never got cleaned out of here. And I'm thinking this is underneath where the stairs are, because this goes at an angle. And see there, that's the end of another line, and there's a clean out on that, so they did good with that. I'm really not questioning how they built it per se. You know, inspector should have checked all this, but of course in certain areas it didn't. Now see this pipe, these pipes, they used to have little holes in them up high, and there wasn't a hole there, so they just drove the nail or screw. They screwed right into that. I don't know if that's okay. They're supposed to do it like that or not, but he did. That's a good way to crack that and split it out and have it loose. I'll see that air conditioning duct there, and then see how it kind of dips down before it goes up. I don't know what the deal was with that. I'm gonna have to crawl over there. Because it looks like the insulation is short or something. Let's see. I can't hold this here. Get this stuff out of the way. Okay, it's on a duct. It's on a register going up out of the floor, and they just made it just a hair long and it dipped down. Well, it's still connected fine, but do you see what I see? A missing piece of insulation from there all the way over to the wall. See there? I'm gonna have to measure that. Anytime you have missing insulation, that's there for a reason, right? In the winter, it keeps the cold air from underneath your house coming up through your floor, let's say, or it's preventing your heat from your heating ducts up in your house from getting out down at the floor line because it's cold. And then in the summer, you want everything nice and cold in your house, and maybe you can get a little heat coming up through your floor. Although this feels pretty nice underneath here. I think it's mainly for the heat area for the winter. You know, that's why you'd want your insulation, but cold too, depending how cold where you live, and if you have any vents going outside and you get some cold air in here, obviously you wouldn't want all that cold air coming up out of your floor, let's say. So yes, there's a reason for everything, and that's missing, so I'm gonna have to measure that. I'm glad I kind of crawled up in here to check that out.